Vietnam. Just the name conjures images. Emerald rice paddies stretching to the horizon. The symphony of street vendors hawking their wares. This is a country that explodes with life, a place that tantalizes all five senses and leaves you forever changed. Forget sanitized, predictable travel. Vietnam is raw, it's real, and it's ready to awaken your soul. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the ancient temples of Hue, adventure awaits around every corner. Imagine cruising through the Mekong Delta, its labyrinth of intricate waterways teeming with life. Picture yourself sipping strong coffee in a sidewalk cafe, watching the world go by. This is Vietnam, and it's calling your name. Before you can dive headfirst into a bowl of steaming pho, let's talk logistics. For US citizens, a visa is your golden ticket to Vietnam. No visa, no entry. Simple as that. Don't fret though. The process is relatively painless. You can apply for a visa online, perfect for quick trips. Staying longer? Go for the traditional visa through the Vietnamese embassy or consulate. Whichever route you choose, make sure your passport has at least 6 months of validity remaining. Trust me, the last thing you want is to be denied entry because of a silly passport snafu. Yes, get that visa squared away, and you're one step closer to slurping noodles and soaking up the Vietnamese sunshine. Let's talk money, honey. In Vietnam, the official currency is the Vietnamese dong. Get ready to feel like a millionaire, because at the current exchange rate, you'll be swimming in a sea of dong. Don't let the large denominations intimidate you. Exchanging money is easy peasy. You can do it at banks, exchange bureaus, or even at some hotels. Just remember to shop around for the best rates. Pro tip: ATMs are your best friend in Vietnam. They're plentiful, and you'll get a fair exchange rate. Just be sure to notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid any unwelcome surprises. Now, go forth and spend those dongs wisely. Vietnamese is a tonal language, which can be intimidating for us English speakers. But don't let that be a barrier to connecting with the locals. A little effort goes a long way. Start with the basics. Xin Chào, pronounced Sin Chow, means hello, and is always met with a smile. Come on, pronounced Gammon, means thank you, a phrase you'll be using a lot. Don't be afraid to use gestures, point at menus, and embrace the art of charades. Trust me, the locals will appreciate your effort and will meet you halfway. Remember, communication is about more than just words. It's about connecting with another human being, sharing a smile, and experiencing the beauty of cross-cultural interaction. The dance of respect. Vietnamese customs and etiquette. Vietnam has a rich culture steeped in tradition and respect. Understanding a few key customs will enhance your experience and show the locals you're making an effort. Firstly, always greet people with a slight bow and a gentle smile. It's a sign of respect and sets the tone for positive interactions. When entering someone's home or a temple, remember to remove your shoes. Think of it as a symbolic act of leaving your worries at the door. Bargaining is a way of life in Vietnam, especially in markets. Embrace the playful banter, but always be respectful and remember to smile. It's all part of the fun. Lastly, dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Covering your shoulders and knees is a sign of respect for local customs. By respecting local customs, you'll open yourself up to a richer, more immersive travel experience. Section 6, a culinary adventure, from pho to feast. Hold on to your taste buds, folks, because Vietnamese cuisine is a wild ride for your palate. This isn't just food, it's an explosion of flavor, a symphony of textures, a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Start your day like a local with a steaming bowl of pho, pronounced pho, the soul-satisfying noodle soup that is basically the national dish. For something lighter, try goi quan, fresh spring rolls bursting with herbs and flavor. Craving something more adventurous? Dive into the world of bun cha, a Hanoi specialty featuring grilled pork and vermicelli noodles. And don't even get me started on banh mi, the Vietnamese baguette sandwich. That's a culinary masterpiece in itself. From street food stalls to upscale restaurants, Vietnam offers a culinary tapestry that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. So, loosen your belt, grab your chopsticks, and get ready to feast. Section 7. On the move. Traversing Vietnam's diverse landscape. Vietnam is a country of astonishing geographical diversity, from the soaring mountains of Sapa to the sun-kissed beaches of Nha Trang. And getting around is an adventure in itself. For the intrepid traveler, motorbike rentals offer the ultimate freedom to explore at your own pace. But just be sure you're comfortable navigating the sometimes chaotic traffic. For a more relaxed experience, hop on a train and watch the countryside unfold before your eyes. Vietnam's rail network connects major cities and offers a comfortable and scenic way to travel. Domestic flights are plentiful and affordable, perfect for hopping between major cities. And don't forget about buses, the trusty workhorse of Vietnamese transportation. Just be prepared for a potentially bumpy ride. No matter your preferred mode of transport, embrace the journey. The sights, sounds, and smells of Vietnam are best experienced on the move. Section 8. Unveiling the hidden. Secret spots and local gems. Sure, everyone visits Ha Long Bay and the Quy Chi tunnels, but the real magic of Vietnam lies in its hidden gems, the off-the-beaten-path spots where you can truly escape the crowds and connect with the soul of the country. Venture off the tourist trail and discover Phong Ha Ke Bang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site home to the world's largest cave. Or lose yourself in the rice terraces of Mu Chang Chai, where emerald green fields cascade down the mountainside like a scene from a postcard. For a truly authentic experience, head to the Mekong Delta and spend a night with a local family. Share a meal, learn about their way of life, and experience the raw beauty of rural Vietnam. These are just a few of the countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered in Vietnam. So, ditch the guidebook, follow your curiosity, and create your own adventure. Section 9, ready for takeoff. Your Vietnamese journey begins now. So, there you have it. Your crash course in Vietnamese travel essentials. From visas to vibrant markets. From fragrant bowls of pho to breathtaking landscapes. Vietnam is a country that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Now it's time to stop dreaming and start planning. Book that flight, pack your bags, and get ready to answer the call of adventure. Vietnam is waiting to welcome you with open arms, a symphony of sensory delights and memories that will last a lifetime. Trust me, this is one journey you won't regret. Thank you for watching our Vietnam Travel Essentials Guide. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Safe travels and enjoy your journey through Vietnam. Let us know your dream destinations. In the comments, hit that like button to show some love, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel magic. Thank you for joining me, Gideon Xavier, on DIY Adventure Lab. Until next time, happy adventuring.